If you're experiencing issues with your Rocket League update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to load other online services. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on before attempting to update again. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding the power button for a few seconds until it completely shuts down, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the Steam or Epic Games Store cache by navigating to the settings. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming. This can sometimes kickstart the download process and allow it to continue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Rocket League and then reinstall it. This will ensure you have the latest version and can help resolve any underlying issues with the update process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Rocket League update. Good luck and enjoy your game.